new investor revolution, which will really, I think this is going to become known as the new investor day. From here on out, we do have to share the honor with the Wu-Tang Clan, but that's okay because cash rules everything around me. Get the money, right? I mean, let's do it. I'm Charles Payne. By the way, I've got a breaking announcement. Today, I bought AMC and GameStop in my own account. That's right. You know what it is? It's not the way I invest, but I love the Apes so much. I'm so proud of the determination. I figured I better have some skin in the game. And I put 100 grand in my crypto account. I'll buy something there tomorrow. By the way, some big news for you. General Electric announcing plans to form 3 public companies, right? They're going to focus on growth sectors, aviation, healthcare, energy. And the reason I bring it up is because it's so-called smart money, right? You know, the folks that slam the individual investors all the time, say they're dumb, suggesting that whatever the individual investor does is so wrong that the elite should go the other way. Well, some believe this nonsense on Wall Street. Others know it's just part of a campaign to make investors seem so afraid, right? Make investing seem so hard that you're intimidated and you just hand your money over to the experts. Well, that brings me to GE in this news. Back in 2000, smart money told dumb money, folks, this is where you had to be. You had to be in these great blue chip stocks. You must own them, put them away forever. You're going to be set for life. By the way, if you look at the list, General Motors was at the top of the list. They went bust. Everyone else on the name really did very, very bad. We had IBM down. The only winner is IBM, up 27 points. We got Ford down 27%. Since then, AT&T down 50% since then. We've got Citibank down 82% since then. Here's the bottom line. Is it any wonder that the children of folks who decided, okay, I'm going to invest the way Wall Street tells me, right? This is what happened. This is the birth of the investing apes.